There's no fights, there's no quarrel, there's nothing. I said what I said. All of us will be all right. And all of us are working to do bigger and better things. You understand what I'm saying? And Honorable Natasha, I see she has been dragged, she has been called all sorts of names, she has been labeled as a homebreaker, you know. She is a young, brilliant, amazing young woman. You understand what I'm saying? And she had nothing to do with, you know, what's happening between me and Annie in our marriage. You know, she has absolutely nothing to do with that. But I see everybody allegedly trying to, you know, rope her into everything. Yes, I love her. She's amazing. She's cool. You know, I want to marry her. Understand what I'm saying? So that on one side. Then on the other side, when me and Annie, we don't fight, we don't quarrel. You know, we have a good understanding of ourselves and what's going on. So allegedly, everybody that has been saying stuff allegedly, keep alleging. We shall continue to be alleging. You understand what I'm saying? So thank you very much. Move on with your perfect lives. Now me carry and come there. So I understand what will happen as I carry and come there. I put our personal business. Yeah, so you are allowed to interfere and say what you feel like. But please, when you want to allege, make sure you know what you are alleging. And I'm also going to ask, in fact, I will ask Congress. We have to do something about this alleging. You understand? Everybody's hiding behind allege. To just say anything they want to say. Causing heartache, embarrassing people up and down. And you know, say many people will ever leave the follow alleged. So we need to do something about this alleged. If you don't know something, no talk. No even quote person. Make it only the person will talk. You understand? So with this viewpoint of mine, thank you very much. I don't bring her come again. I don't give her food again. We could have continued to the allege. We go meet for somewhere. No problem. Thank you very much.
Hello, my people. Nado. Bini say ekenaye ni here ni lage. This man na know say na two face dem dey call am. Na two face. So na know wetin be two face. I just dey lis ten to wetin he just dey talk for there. All those wetin he just dey talk. Me, I no understand. I just pray maybe say Natasha papa no go just give her daughter out to somebody like this. I no understand. If na only one call remain for this world. Abeg you, person wey be say born full everywhere, different woman na born for you. You no even dey take care of those children, nothing. Even this Annie, his wife, wey be say he just leave now. Shebi na they say na still small girl, na so he still take carry am. I had the pity for some women, sha, but wetin me dey talk, some women una just see something, una don dey see am o. Una don dey see say fire dey there, una still enter. Later una come dey come social media say women supporting women. You see person like me, I no dey do that women supporting women. No, if you just F, I go give am to you as e be. I no get that time say make I come women supporting women. No, me I no dey do that one. Because this Natasha now don see red flag for all corner o. You wan still go there, problem no there, e go change. Because some women na so dem dey do. Because say if you reach my turn, e go change. Who tell you say e go change? You no go change o. Person wey don bend, e don bend. You don ever see say fish wey be say dem bend and dem dry am. If they still dey come, if they let the straight again, no, e no go let you straight again. Don already bend. So if una dey see fire, more na no dey jump enter inside. Una see say mama come and say make the whole world come beg o, make dem leave e pikin, make Natasha leave e pikin o. Na your pikin na get problem. That one for number one. Your pikin need to go therapy, need to do something. How can you know how many? I think they say na 50 years old. That one not be baby now. You not know your left and you not know your right. And even they talking for here say you want to marry her. Who you want marry? I beg, maybe Natasha just see chop small, just see through one. Now, if papa give you your daughter, and I be say no itself. Anyway, my people, now that one I be my own, because you know if you just say where light, where fire your day, you see that fire as you just dey burn gidi, you say no problem, me I still go chook my head for inside. Now some women they do am, you go say I go change am. They no dey change person. They know they now that person I go talk say you want change. You understand? You no go even fit change anybody unless say the person decide say I want change. Because now that na e brain when e brain tell am say you need to change, na the person go change. You say you wan come change that person, e will never change. Just dey pray maybe say the thing come out from that person brain, na you go feel say na you change am. No be you change am o, na that person brain na e just talk say e ready to change. Anyway, my people, make I leave una for this junction. More na help me love and like and share this video. Wetin una think for this video wey be say Two-Face do say wan marry Natasha, the one wey you just still destroy now? How you wan do that one? They say that one just dey cry for road now. That one still see but some women na e good for some of una o. I dey talk am. Na e still good for some of una. Una see say road not dey there, una still dey chook head dey go. Una bye bye for now.